This tutorial is going to demonstrate the overlay tool on the RisiStone Advanced Paver Calculator. This tool is for preliminary feasibility and estimation purposes only. If you haven't seen the overview tutorial already, we recommend watching that first. Let's begin. To import a design that we can draw on top of, click the dark blue Load Image button. The RisiStone Advanced Paver Calculator supports image files, and if you don't have a design drawing, an image from a map viewer or an aerial drone photograph will also work well. I'm going to select my backyard plan. During upload, you can zoom in and out as needed. When uploading a design, you will need to define its scale. To do this, draw a line on the image that corresponds to the length of an item in the picture. We recommend to either create a measurement legend for your drawing or find an item's dimensions prior to uploading. In this case, I know that this path was designed with our largest Bridgewood slab piece, which is 2.91 feet wide, so this will be my line length. Click Done once you are finished. Since the picture stretches past our lot width, we will adjust that to 200 feet in order to view the whole image. But let's zoom in now and get a better view of the patio. Now select the Straight tool and then choose Snap to Grid to keep things tidy while drawing. To begin, we'll use the Straight tool to outline the patio on the drawing. For the patio, we are going to choose Mesa Flagstone in Sierra Gray. Press Select. Notice that your drawing is now being covered up by the patio we drew. To avoid this, you can select the Transparency button. This can be toggled off and on as needed. In the center of our patio, we are adding a long bar. To draw this, simply select the Square tool and click and drag. Please note that any object drawn on top of your patio will be subtracted from the material totals. To change the color of your object you've just drawn, click the Bucket tool and use the color wheel and slider to pick the right color. We will now add a border to our patio by clicking on the patio and clicking Add Border. We will choose the Holland border in charcoal. If you don't want this included in the calculation, you can send it to the bottom, and this item will not be visible or calculated. In this case, we want the long bar to show, so we will send the patio to the bottom. Now, select the bar and add a charcoal border. To adjust the position of the bar, simply click on the center of the shape you drew, then click and drag it into the desired position. In the next tutorial, we are going to be continuing this project and showing how to create advanced paths.